Hey, and this bitch still capping with Darren on, bro. Right now, I come up, lately been talking my shit because I know I come from the gutter. Since shots at your brother, then I go pop out in all of this linen like I was a baller. How can you hate me? I'm coming from under. Nowhere to sleep, what the fuck is a cover? Now I pop out of ballistics, they want us, they tell us I'm tweaking. I already fucked. I was down bad, I know I done it all. I was serving the fiends, let his Zeddies dissolve. If I got a problem, I'm making one call. While none of your niggas be sliding at all. But bitches open, I'm packing that heat, only get up with Biggie when this in the sheets. Run to the paper like I'm in the meat, baby, get on your knees, let me give you a treat. Too much of the walk be having me sleep, but too much of the purse got me ready to freeze. Grinding for months, I've been grinding for weeks. My uncle told me to just watch for the week, cause they like to sneak. Gucci and Prada be having me dripping like I was a sing, man, what did you think? I'm trying to make it to put some VVs inside my Cuban links, man, why do it stink? Kobe's been bringing in pounds of the Zod, but I know that it reek, you niggas.
Millionnaire, bless, under my wrist, bless. Dance, dance, dossier getanzt, belly dance. Get it, bongo wie Dorian, Paris, LA, Brünners, am Riss. Dümmer, voll Gift, hab sie vermisst. Und sie auch mich. Sie ist mein Bett, sie ist hot. Drift als Glas, du spürst. Baby, ja, baby, sie ist mein Pack, ja, Negro. Sie will nur Martini pur. Kach, ich geh weg mit dem J-Joe. Ich komm mit meinem Jahr, Diva, komm, overnight. Models am Samstag, Tisch ist voll, Strip ist smart. Sie will nicht weg, hier Negro. Aura Princess.